Hey, this is Giovanni Adrian BMX, and today I'll be doing a bike check. Let's start with the front of a bike. I have some stock bars, they're 8.5 rise, and I have ODI long neck grips on them, and I have Odyssey variants for a while now. Uh, One tip: if you have sweaty hands, I really don't recommend these grips because if you have sweaty hands, you won't get a lot of grip on them. You're gonna have to dry your hands like most of the time before getting just to get any grip. So yeah, just a tip. The the stem, it's a fit stock stem. It's front load, but I have it right now like this because I want to get a tub load. And my friends told me to try this first, see how it feels. So yeah, that's what I'm trying right now. The the headset, it's a fit stock headset, and yeah, let's do my forks. My forks are Mission Circuit forks. They're really light and really strong, and yeah, you can see right there. My front wheel, it's a Colony complete front wheel. As you can see, the Colony uh, front hub and ram in there. I have some peg I brought from the local store the other day. Other side, really grind a lot. So yeah, the tire I have right now, it's Odyssey A taking 2.25 tire. They're really good if you like getting grip, like a lot of grip. These are the tires. These are like for dirt, street, park, whatever. I love them. And if you like to land smooth, these are the tires, man. I know they're like small, but still they work really great. The frame I have right now, it's a King Titan 21-inch frame. And you can see right there, there's the K and some local star and another, and there's the King Titan 21-inch frame sticker. This one to my seat. My seat, it's a fit pivotal seat with some seat posts. They're stock, both of them. And the sprocket I have is a fit 25 tooth sprocket with some Odyssey chain. There's the Odyssey Bluebird chain. Remember, you can see the logo right there. Yep, right there. And the cranks I have right now, they're stock. I'm trying to move on them. And I have some Shadow Revenger pedals. These pedals are amazing. I've had them for about 9 months now. They're really great. You get a lot of grip and they last forever now. I'm gonna get this again. Yeah, the back I have the Colony pin tire back wheel. I have the Colony Wasp cassette hub. As you can see right there, it's damn fine. I got it in on pineapple color, and I have the ram stickers right there. Yeah, I have the Colony hub guard and another peg on the other side. I have the Odyssey taken on the back, 2.25 cm sizes front. So yeah, I love them tires. Yeah. So this is my bike check. There's some extra parts I have I don't need. So yeah, comment, rate, subscribe, share. I'll be uploading an unboxing video. I'm putting new bars, grips, stem, what's the other, pedals, seat, and hub guard for the front is the G Sport. And what's another, I'm getting a helmet. And I don't know, my friends wants to order a bike. I don't know if you get it in a complete or a custom, so I'll be uploading that video unboxing. Just subscribe if you want to see that video. So yeah, yeah, have a great night or day, whatever. Bye.